my friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel.
Let's draw a 3D ladder today.
Alright Bubbles, let's go.
At first, we will fold the paper into halves. Now why don't we open it? Now let's take our pencil and start marking 3 points. One in the center, one below the center and one above the center. Now let's repeat the same thing for the other line as well. Now let's keep some distance and make 2 more points on the center line. And after that, why don't we start joining it? The first dot will be joined with the first line and the second dot will be joined with the second line. Now, let's do the same thing on top as well. Now, why don't we start making our ladder? For that, we will make sleeping lines at equal distance. Let's complete making the sleeping lines at equal distance. And now, why don't we do the same thing for our standing lines? But before that, why don't we start sketching this with our sketch pen? Make sure that you sketch only the 2 slanting lines and the sleeping lines in the middle with the sketch pen. Do not sketch the 2 standing lines. Yes, we will use our black sketch pen. Now, let's make sleeping lines for the 2 standing lines. Why don't we make the sleeping lines in the middle? Continue making it till the end. Why don't we try seeing it from a different angle? Well, this is how it looks. Isn't this magic?
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video.